Come to my channel.
Come to my channel. The wind is howling like.
Sorry, sigh.
Couldn't keep it in. Heaven knows I
Tried. There's water. Papa, please, I can't see.
How you can see, anak?
Ma, I can't see. Kick it up.
Have a look, see?
Up, please.
Good morning, welcome back to our channel. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back to our channel.
Mommy.
Say welcome back to our channel.
Come to my channel.
Come to my channel. So guys, it is Saturday morning. It's currently 11. Ata hindi pa siya nag-11. Maybe 10 minutes to 11. And we're already nakabihis kami, guys. Ayan ang ating baby girl. Mama will, okay? You have to be patient, Paris. Ayan. So, kita nyo guys, meron kaming ganito. Oh, show them na. New toy. Kasi, whose birthday is it today? Ula! So, yung kaklase ni Paris, guys, na friend niya, birthday today. And we were invited sa park. So, ayun. So, si Daddy Mike kakauwi lang din. Open this one up. Oh. From the gym. Tapos siya yung bumili nito, guys, ng regalo. Kasi, soon, we have to go. We have to go really shortly, guys. Hintay lang namin si Daddy Mike na mag-ready.
My appetite.
Mommy will open. What's this one up? Elsa! Get nice dress, no? Oh.
And some crowd and some butterflies.
What is that? Butterflies? Oh, yeah. Who's this?
Anna.
Anna.
And Elsa.
Elsa?
Mommy, can I put these?
Of course. Sing sa do you wanna build a snowman lagi?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No. Say, do you wanna build a snowman? What's next?
My candy.
I'll never see you anymore. Very hard, man.
It's broken.
It's broken. It's broken. Ayan. So, next weekend, guys, ay kay Paris na naman na celebration. Grabe celebration. This, long month of birthday celebration for Paris.
That's for me, Mommy.
It's for you.
Yes, that's for Ula.
Buti na lang smart yung daddy niya, guys. Binilhan niya si Ula. Ayan. Dalawa yung binili niya kasi alam niya ang kanyang baby girl ay maghahanap. Maghahanap din. Okay, cool. Show them the dress. Oh, it's so cool.
No, Elsa.
Elsa. Elsa. Take this off from the behind there. Do you wanna build a snowman? Let it go na lang. Let it go.
No, building much enough. I think it's naturally like that.
Properly now. The wind is howling like.
Sorry, sigh.
Couldn't keep it in. Heaven knows I
Tried.
Don't let them in. Don't let them. Be the good girl you always.
I will be.
Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Finish the song.
Oh no.
Let it go.
No, I'll be finishing.
I'll finish it. Take her off. Let it go.
Ma, what's in the back?
Let it go na ba? Kahit mali-mali yung lyrics niya, guys, pero alam niya yung tono, ng Let It Go. The whole song talaga, guys. Ooh, nice one. Show, maybe? Show, tita and tito. Wow, it's so beautiful, like you, Paris. What's in there?
My rabbit.
So, ayan ang ating baby girl. Kasi ayaw niyang tumawid dito. Then, yung marami kasing mga... Why that? Why, honey? Why, honey? There's lots of... ants. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang outfit. Oh. Dansa, nakbi. Dansa. Yes, daddy.
Come on.
Come on, let's go now. Ola is waiting. Come on.
We're going to Ola's house.
Yeah.
The house.
1, 2, 3.
No, but it's going to come in my leg.
Come here.
Come on, sit down.
No, no.
Ayaw niyang umupo sa car seat, guys. The Ola is waiting. She'll be like, where's Paris?
Can you slide it more?
Oh.
I just like
You slide.
it's dry.
What is that?
Too dry.
Too dry. Yeah, that's right. Let's wait not until we get to Ula's house in the park. We got something there. Okay?
They got the chocolates
Yeah,
for me.
of course.
They have a bunny one.
We got cupcake for you.
Our Lego. Our Ola cupcake.
Yeah.
And our cupcake. And the cupcake. Free.
Okay. Very excited ang ating baby girl. Honey, there. Andun sila guys, oh. Chan, oh, diba? Come on, sweetie.
They're married.
Huh? Ayan, let's go see the birthday girl first. There, oh, there they are, oh. I don't think that was Mary, actually. Careful, Paris. Faster. Ayan ang best friend ni Paris, guys, oh. Sa kabila. Hold on, anak. Matagak, anak. Okay. Yeah. At ganyan lang ang birthday dito, guys. Ganyan, oh. Sobrang, ano. Very simple lang. And I wonder why. Bakit ako sobrang nag-stress, guys? Kung we can just do it like this, see? Come on! It's water. Very dirty.
Papa, please, I can't see.
Huh? You can see, anak.
Ma, I can't see. Kick it up.
Have a look, see?
Up, please. I can't see anything.
No, you gotta watch. Oh, there's. You gotta watch for a minute. They're in there.
Come on now, Paris. They might have the cake now. Paris. We're going now. Bye.
Mary's going.
Yay!
Do you want to go play with Mary for a balloon?
Nice
Don't
balloon.
let go of the balloon, okay? You have to hold it tight. Hold it tight like that. Okay.
Maybe tie it on her hand, Daddy.
Do you want me to tie it to you? Over there.
Are you just going like an open area? I feel like someone's gonna get
Yeah, which one do you want? The red one?
Let's hope for Paris, Daddy. Hi guys! Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-update, guys. So we're at home now. It's currently 6 o'clock ng gabi. And pasensya nyo na if my hair looks like it's wet. Kasi kakalabas lang namin ng sasakyan, guys. At umuulan siya. So, ayan. Tumakbo kami dito sa loob ng bahay. So after the birthday party na na-enjoy ni Paris. Anak, did you have fun? Hey, look at here. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Good girl. Ayan, so dumiretso kami ng shopping center kasi may mga kailangan akong bilhin. And then, we dropped Daddy Mike sa gym kasi gusto niyang mag-sauna. And then, umuwi kami dito. Si Paris nakatulog sa sasakyan. So, kaya ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. Sobrang haba ng ating explanation. Anyways, medyo natagalan kami doon sa shopping center kanina, guys. Kasi marami akong napamilihan. When I say marami, guys, like seriously, literally, marami talaga. And you know why? Kasi nga, diba, birthday celebration ni Baby Paris next weekend. So, I am making sure na wala akong makakalimutang bilhin. Katulad ng mga plates, yung mga, basta, ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, quickly, yung mga napamili ko. And also, kasi bukas ng gabi, in-invite kami ni Ems for dinner. Kasi birthday dinner din niya bukas. So, bumili din ako ng regalo para sa kanya. And, luckily, nakabili naman ako ng gusto kong ibigay sa kanya, guys. Kaya, andito yung overview ng mga napamili natin. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos ito sa Big W. Sobrang laki talaga, guys. Ayan. So, I'm gonna quickly show you guys yung mga napamili natin. Ayan. So, start tayo dito sa isa plastic na to, guys. So, yung binili ko ito, yung panglugod. Cotton pads. Ayan. 2 packs of marshmallows. Para sa birthday ni Paris next week. Ayan. Natagos na. And we have paper plates. Sobrang cute. Oh, diba? Kasi sa park tayo, so hindi natin kailangan magdala ng mga plato. Ayan, mga maliliit na plates. Pink yung kulay for cakes. For Paris's hair. Sobrang, ano to guys, mix-mix to dito. Itong mga laruan, ilalagay natin sa party bag ni Paris. Hindi pa pala ako nakabili ng party bag talaga, but I'll do that. Next week, ayan, so ito yung card na binili ko, 4Ms. Ayan, sobrang nice, guys, no? Very girly. Ayan. Okay, sweetheart. Toothpaste, hand wash, sabon. Ayan, may mga party mix ng mga snacks, ganyan. So, may pang snack sa birthday ni Paris. And then, some lollipops, ilalagay ko rin to siya sa party bag. Ayan. And then, we've got some, anong tawag dito guys? Hairpin. Kasi gusto kong iban yung hair ni Paris kasi hindi ko pa na-try before. And then, next bag, we have this tablecloth na pink. Ayan, sobrang girly. Ayan. While nandun ako sa shop, bumili na rin ako ng fabric conditioner kasi that's mom life. Anak?
What do you?
I'm just showing Tita and Tito what I bought from the shop.
Mommy, that's my toy.
What is that?
This is my toys.
Is that your toys?
This is my toy.
Yeah, no, that's for your party bag, honey. On your birthday. Ayan. And we have conditioner. There, anak. Next bag tayo, guys. We have, ayan. So, yung mga cups. Of course, hang on. Give me a second. Have a look. We've got unicorn na mga, cups. Ayan. Of course, sweetheart. There you go. What do you say to mommy?
Okay.
You're welcome. And then, ayan. Mga colorful na fork, spoon, and ano tawag ito? Knife. And we have table napkins. Yeah, of course. You put it there, okay? This one, banner siya guys na happy birthday. Ayan. Oh, put it there. Put it there, please. That's for your birthday. Thank you. And then, ito siya. Ano pala to siya? Ang tawag dito. Binili ko to kasi dito ko ilalagay yung regalo ko for Ems tomorrow. Toothbrush! Oh, show sa anak, B. Ayan. Where's the toothbrush na? Bumili ako ng toothbrush na marami. Kasi why not? And then, shampoo. Kanina conditioner, ito shampoo. Okay, so the next bag. Madaliin natin guys kasi show lang naman sa inyo. Binili ko to siya for pagkain para sa birthday ni Paris. Kasi sa park kami, diba? So we will need few days. Yeah. This one also, this is kasi birthday ni Jake sa Saturday. Pupunta kami sa kanila. And ito lalagyan ng regalo namin para sa kanya. Nagbili na rin ako guys kasi while nandun ako. Careful enough. I have a couple of these. Ito lalagyan ng mga pagkain. Nasa park na kami. And then, ito rin guys for food. Oh, later we'll for this one. Okay? And then, bumili ako nito for chips or whatever, salad. Ayan. So, ready na si mami niyo guys. And then, bumili ako ng saku bag kasi yung mga plastic bag nila sobrang liit. Hindi siya kasya. Kaya, I had to buy this one. $2.50 for this. Hindi na magagamit ko. Anyways. Woo! And then, in this bag here, this is from Priceline. Doon ko binili yung regalo natin for M. So, nung pumasok ako doon, guys, hindi ko alam talaga kung ano yung bibilhin ko para sa kanya. But when I saw this one, sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, I'm gonna buy one for her. So, ito yung Kenzo na perfume. And ito yung tinatawag nila na Make Me Fly. 40 milliliter, guys. Ayan. So, that's from Kenzo. You know what, guys? Kasi nung tinry ko ito, sobra talagang mabango. I'm not really into perfume. But, since bumili ako kay M, guys, bumili na rin ako ng isa for myself. Ayan. So, Kenzo Amor. And it's the, yeah, 40 ml. Ayan. So, one for her, one for me. And then, fragrance-free antibacterial wipes. We need this one, of course. The last one from Priceline, guys, is this. So, you know what? This is pangkulay ng buhok. And, ewan ko, guys, nag-book ako ng hairdresser dito malapit sa amin, pero walang, that's for Jake, honey. Walang available before sa birthday ni Paris. And you know what, guys, sinan nyo ang aking buhok ay sobra ng, ng tubo, guys, oh. So, I'm thinking, what if I'll do it myself? And cheaper pa siya, guys, kasi nga, diba, pag pupunta ako ng salon, mga over $200 yung binabayaran ko. And this was for only $16 ata. So, this is the Garnier one. Yes, honey, that is for Jake. For his birthday.
For his birthday?
Yes. So, ayan, guys, we'll see. I-video ko, guys, kapag kinulayan ko yung buko dito sa bahay. It will be interesting. Ayan. And then, okay, so, dito sa isang malaking big W bag, hindi ko siya maarsa-arsa, guys, kasi sobrang bigat talaga. Daming laman. First one, ayan. Hindi particular order, guys, sa mabubunot ko lang. Bumili ako ng bath mat na black and white. Ayan. Nice. And then, okay, sweetheart. And then, ito, binili ko for Jake for his birthday ngayong Sabado, Paw Patrol. Kasi, for some reason, I think yung mga kids ngayon ay sobrang in to Paw Patrol. So, ito yung binili ko. And, kasya naman siguro ito sa bag. Ayan. Dito ko ilalagay. So, ayan. Mamaya na natin yan i-organize. And then, bumili ako nito, guys, kasi alam nyo, si Ate Wallen tsaka yung family niya pupunta dito Sabado, the day before Paris' birthday. Kasi dadalo sila sa birthday ni Paris. And also, ang tawag ito, bisita din sa amin ba? So, ayun. And you know what? Kasi wala talaga kaming na extra na mga blanket and all. So, bumili ako nito, guys.
Mommy?
Ayan. So, cotton blanket from Big W. Queen size. Yeah, that's another one for Jake. And ito, for Jake as well, Paw Patrol. Binilhan ko rin si Paris ng isa.
Daddy, Mommy.
No, that is Jake's, not. Yours is in the bedroom. That's Jake's. And then, oh God. Sobrang dami talaga guys.
My sky.
That is Sky.
Sky.
And then, bumili ako ng mga damit ni baby. Oh my God. Sobrang cute kasi guys. I can't resist. Tingnan nyo. Shorts. Kay baby number 2. Baby girl. Ayan. Another short. Another short. Another short. Another short. And then, onesie. Ayan. Sobrang liit. Ayan. Para kay baby number 2. Hala, sobrang messy na dito. And then, I got one for Paris. Isa lang kay Paris, guys. Isa lang kasi yung nakita na gusto ko. Anak! Oh, it's here, Baba! It's on the table. There.
What?
It's on the table. Why, buta.
Mommy.
And then, ay, meron pa pala.
Mommy.
This is for Paris. Ayan. Na. Wow, do you like that one?
This is for Mama.
And then, bumili ako ng baby face washer. Ayan. Go the other way, anak. Good girl. And then, bumili ako nito para naman hindi mabaho yung bahay natin.
Mama.
Candle from Eric. Smells so
Mama,
good.
same one.
Yeah, same one. This one is for Jake. And then, bumili ako nito guys. Sobrang bigat. Ito talaga yung nakapabigat ng bag na yan. So, it's a queen size air bed. Kasi nga, wala kaming extra bed dito sa bahay. And dito matutulog sina Ate Wallen tsaka yung kanyang mga anakis with Friendship Jane and yung anak din niya. So, kailangan, meron na kami nito, double yata. So, bumili ako ng isa and this is the queen size one. Ayan. So, airbed lang siya para pag wala na yung bisita, pwede na lang deflate. Tapos, ilagay sa storage. And then, second to the last item sa ating bag ay kettle. So, bumili ako nito kasi, ewan ko, old na kasi yung sa amin. And then, the lucky last is, ting-ting-ting! Rice cooker! O, diba? May rice cooker si Mami New. Kasi, I noticed na yung rice cooker natin ngayon. We had that one for so long now. And, for some reason, parang mabilis siyang mapanis. I don't know if that's because the rice cooker or for, I don't know, something else. Pero, it's not gonna hurt if you buy another rice cooker, right? Ayan. Hindi naman siya masyadong mahal, guys. Like, super cheap, especially sa Big W ka bumili. And, meron pa pala. Ito, bumili ako nito. So, ito yung mga panggamit sa yung panghang ng ating mga frames. Meron kasi ako mga frames sa kwarto na kailangan kong ihang. So, bumili ako ng ganito kasi as you know, pag nagrenta, hindi natin pwedeng hindi pwedeng maglagay ng sa wall, yung bangag sa wall. Kaya, kailangan natin ng mga ganito. Alam niyo guys, sobrang mahal guys. This one, I think it was for $10 and this one for $6.50. Ang pikit tara. Anyways. So, yun na yan, guys. Lahat. Oh my goodness. Sobrang messy dito talaga. Hi, guys. Time check tayo. It's now 10:30 ng gabi. And as you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating bathroom kasi ang ating Daddy Mike and Baby Paris ay nasa bed na. So, si mami nyo lang ang gising. And as you can see, in shower, guys, may mga hinay-hay. Ayan. Kasi, ang tawag dito, itong mga t-shirt ko na medyo, alam niyo yung mga magagandang shirt ko. Inaano ko lang, tawag dito, hand wash ko lang kasi para hindi sila madaling masira. Kaya, ayan, pasensya na sa aking background. Nagtutoothbrush din si mami nyo para makapag-sleep na tayo, guys. Ayan, kasi, ayan, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, lumalaki na ang tiyan ni mami, guys. Biglaan lang yung paglobo niya ba? Lumalaki ng ating baby girl. Anyways, guys, yan na natin yung vlog dito. Maraming salamat for joining us today. As always, appreciate your time. Before natin i-end, we will do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Judy and Family Meals, Irene Aliperio, Digna Villavicencio, Wilma Bellarmino, Annabel Osman, G. Berber, Joanne Owano, Susana Webb, Nori Aliada, Glenda De La Cruz, Carmelita Kicho, Rinar Mary Huerta, Bea Gregorio, Chinita Bisaya, Blessed Eva Anasaliv, Belinda Jesus, Jancy Pinay, Australia, Molly Navidad, Emmeline Himao, Jocelyn Pason, Melissa Ruiz, Joanne Galagar, Feb Giang, Sweet Hides, Deselin Beltran, and Richard A. Uy. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.